Description: gentle and safer cleansing without harmful ingredients. Benefits: rejuvenate and recondition fragile miniaturized hair and scalp. Suggested use: apply daily to wet hair, massage gently, leave 1 minute and rinse. Revive Color Safe Volumizing System. This 3-step system is formulated to help restore visibly thinning hair with botanical DHT inhibitors to promote healthy hair growth, prevent shedding for thicker, fuller-looking hair. Rosemary Extract. Reduces scalp inflammation and increases circulation. Palmetto. Inhibits DHT, the hormone linked to hair loss, to promote growth, prevent shedding. Sunflower Seed Extract. Assists in color retention. Top reviews from the United States. Actually working. After 2 rounds I can see a difference. My barber even mentioned it. Very happy with the Improvemet.